Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to day 4. We just broke camp, you know, it's 11 a.m. in the morning. We just broke camp, packed everything together, had breakfast, and now we're leaving for like 410 kilometers, about 6 hours. Of course, few stops and breaks and so on. So yeah, we are going to Trondheim today. We decided to book a hotel because first of all it's my birthday, yay! And second of all, everything is wet, and we don't want to get, you know, sick or something. So we decided, you know, to book a hotel, to try everything, and then continue on with camping the next days. And also we just met a couple, and they said that the weather should get better in the next few days. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. I also dropped my bike yesterday, sorry about that. I slipped basically when we looked for the camping spot, and there were like some big boulders, and maybe I have it on video, probably, and then yeah, either can put it in here, holy moly, or it's in the previous video. So yeah, that was like nothing super major. Just, you know, boulder slip, rear tire went, and then the bike went sideways. That's about it. Nothing happened to the bike. The back survived as well, and because the backs were out, the bike didn't fall completely to the side, could lift it up easily, and that's about it. Yeah, nothing major. The camping spot was nice, you know. It was 8 degrees during the night. It rained until 5 a.m. in the morning. It was a bit bad, you know. It was not ideal. The tent held, no water came in. It was okay. The sleeping bags, normally I bought new sleeping bags, but I didn't use them for the trips because they were on a larger size, and I would have had like some storage issues with them. And yeah, so I decided to use different ones, and yeah, well, I regretted the decision, you know, to use the ones, but well, you know, 8 degrees, it's currently at Nordkapp as well during the night, so it should be doable with the sleeping bags we have now. And I can also use some different layers. So yeah, that's it. You know, we catched one fish, a trout or something, and we put him back in. So, and then after that we had no luck whatsoever. Yeah. It should be a dead end, but Google says I need to go here, so we'll see where it goes. So yeah, that's what happened yesterday, and then we basically stayed in tent. I had some nice naan bread, that's very good for cooking. You just heat it up from both sides for like 2-3 minutes, and then you can eat it. It's very good. It's very easy. You can also make it yourself, very straightforward, if you have the ingredients. There are plenty of recipes out there, and yeah, but the bread was really good. It was a game changer, you know, because it was easy and fast to make, and also it kept you warm from the inside, you know, so it was really nice. But yeah, that's about the first update of the day 4, you know. 407 kilometers, as I said, today. It's gonna be a long one, but you know, we're getting closer to the North Cape, and as soon as we're there, then the way back starts, and way back is we are Sweden, and Sweden is not as, yeah, Sweden is more on the boring side, I would say, in terms of road, but I found some good roads as well. that we can use, but that is for later. But so far, you know, that's it for the first update. And yeah, we'll check in later once we have like better scenery, because at the moment we are just in the woods, and that's very gravelly. So but yeah, that's about it, you know. That's the first update for today, for day 4. And yeah, talk to you in the next one. Bye bye. Short update. You know, before we left camp, about, I don't know, half an hour ago or so, you know, we met a couple and they said like, yeah, you know, there's no rain today and tomorrow and the rest of the week. So look what happened, you know. We have rain, you know. It's a disaster, actually. It is a disaster. Just a short impression on how this day has been. It's been like this, like left, right, left, like, you know, my father's doing a really good job. So and it's been like, you know, you see the clouds, it's been like this as well. So it's been crazy. We still have over 3 hours to go, and it's 2 o'clock now. No, it's 3. And I am I'm tired.